Okay, next is the, um, sorry about the video quality when I zoom in. I think I can do it while yeah. This is the power supply. I got the Maingear ignition. I don't know which is better for you to see. Let's see what that looks like. I mean, a power supply is a power supply, right? Let me just put up a little bit more so you can see me a little bit anyway. I'll bend over if I have to. So let's just cut this open with my camping knife. Multi-tool. Now this is heavy. This seems like heavier than that case. Alright, so pretty nice. Pretty Maingear sticker. More stickers. And a manual, which is always nice to have. And got a little bag full of something here. What is this? Oh, this must be the cables. Wow, nice. Alright, we'll look at that in a second. So here's the power supply. Wrapped up nicely in a little bag. That's pretty nice. Right? Pretty cool, pretty cool. Now this isn't as big as I thought it was going to be. I guess because it's long. See, it's long. So it's got plenty of connectors. Pretty nice looking. I'll just put that here. Move this over here. What do we got in here? We got something else in here. What is this? A silicone bag so it doesn't get wet. Nice. Okay, cool. So let's just put that over here somewhere. I don't know. I'm not used to doing this. Yeah. Let's see what kind of cords we got here. Phew, that is a lot of cords, man. Lots of cords. I can't zoom in on that one. I don't think. Let me try. Ooh, you can. Wow. It's going to be pretty bad though at 1080p. I don't think that's a good idea, but it's not really letting me zoom in like a little. It's taking one step at a time, which is kind of. Yeah, it's not really going to make it better. I think it would be better just to keep it the way it was. All right, cool. Yeah, so let me just put this back here. Put this up here. I can move this back a little. All right. All right, anyway, here's the power cord. Let me put this on full screen. Red. And then it's got, all these adapters here. So it's got, let's see, VGA, VGA. Hopefully it's got CPU. It's got one, two, one, two. It's got two 8-pin on that. And then it's got two 8-pin on this. So it's got four 8 pins or 4 6, depending on what you need. Okay, so that's good. I should have enough cords um, for everything. So that's the Maingear um, power supply. Again, pretty nice looking. You know, generic looking, but you know, nothing too fancy. All right, so we're gonna move on now to the next thing.